So you have already registered with DPN and you've got the icon on your home screen. If you don't have the icon, use the link at the top of the screen. For your KYC, which is Know Your Customer, you're going to need photos of a selfie, an ID, and your proof of address. So have those ready. Log into your app or click on your app and go to Login. There it asks you for your username and your password. Complete that. Click on Login. It'll give you a welcome note, and at the bottom, enjoy a fair share. On the top left corner, you can click on that icon and it comes up with your account details. Just go through that and see that's all correct, but you can't do anything at this stage on this page. So just go back to the arrow. And then on the top right-hand corner, there is a notification button. So click on the notification button and you will see where to upload your identity documents. If you click on that block, it opens up where you upload your selfie, your ID, and your address. So once you click on selfie, just choose your selfie from your browser or from your gallery on your phone and upload your selfie. If you've done that, it will give you a tick and say status is complete. You do the same with your ID, upload it, status is complete, and the same with your address. Upload your address and the status is complete. Then when you scroll down further, there is a confirm button, you click that. There's another welcome note again, but at the bottom now it says sign letter of exchange. So click on that. It will open up your letter of exchange of your details and then the exchange agreement. So you must please read through this exchange agreement and then scroll all the way to the bottom where you will see please read terms and conditions. If you click on terms and conditions, it will open up where you can do all the reading again. I'm just going to scroll through it quickly right to the bottom where it gives you OK. Click on OK. Takes you back to your agreement. And now you have to tick this block so it shows you blue. It says by ticking this block, you hereby agree to the exchange and the enclosed terms and conditions. And then click on confirm. It's success. And it congratulates you and it says you can click anywhere. So you click anywhere and it comes up with a welcome note again, but now at the bottom, it gives you your number of shares. So you can just check that. So to log out, you can go to the top left-hand corner again, click on the icon, it gives you account details, but now there's an option to view your letter of exchange, or you have the option to log out of the app.